If you are running an Amazon business, you know the nightmare of running out of stock, lost sales, disappointed customers, and ranking drops. But what if you could avoid all that with smart inventory management? That's exactly what we are diving into today with Helium10's inventory tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we break down tools and tech so you can run your business smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for the special link and free trials. Now let's get started. So what is Helium 10 inventory management and who is it for? Essentially, it's designed for Amazon sellers who want to stay on top of stock levels and avoid the overselling and make the smarter restocking decisions. If you are managing multiple products or planning to scale, this tool becomes a lifesaver. First up, let's talk about tracking stock. With Helium 10, you can see your current inventory in real time and it alerts you when products are running low. So, no more last minute panic orders or miss the sales. So, you can even track the historical trends to predict when you will run out. So, restocking becomes smooth and automated process. Next, we have the restocking. And Helium 10 doesn't just tell you you are low on stock, it calculates the exact order quantity based on your sales velocity, lead time, and seasonal trends. That means fewer mistakes, fewer rush shipments, and more consistent cash flow. Now, let's discuss about the integration. Helium 10 works directly with the Amazon sellers, so everything is updated automatically. You don't have to do any manual work like spreadsheet, or you don't have to work in guesswork. It's all in one dashboard. So you can even pull the reports, you can see the forecast revenue and make informed decision about what to order next. So what's the verdict? If you are serious about scaling your Amazon business, Helium 10's inventory management is a must have. It saves time, prevents the restock, and ultimately protect your sales and ranking. For smaller sellers, it might feel like overkill, but even then, it's a great way to start planning ahead and stay organized. Pricing wise, Helium 10 has different plans depending on the tool you need. The inventory management feature is part of their higher tier plan, but if you are investing in your business, it's worth every penny to avoid the stockouts and lost sales. So, in calculation, if you want to avoid lost sales, streamline restocking, and scale your Amazon business, Helium 10 is a powerful ally. Now, think of it as like a personal assistant keeping your inventory in check while you focus on growing your business. And as always, if you want to try Helium 10 for yourself, you can check the link from the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.